Hi friends. First of all, I would say thanks to all of you for the liking all my previous video and giving your support to me for my all previous video. And today we will talk on a different topic which is very quite relevant from the today contest. That is, at every level there is an even. So there is an even. So what it mean? It is just a mean that when we grow up at our life and we just go ahead, so there are the various challenges which we face, and these challenges could be internal also. So if I realize some internal challenges, so it could be a habit of procrastination where we just keep on hankering the things that we will do this thing tomorrow, we will do this next week, next year, next month, and similarly that these things goes on and we don't take any action for that work. Maybe sometimes this devil could be your own ego. Like you just have some ego that you are the best in entire world, and because of this level of devil at your life, you lose all the things which is good in your life and you just fall down. Like we just have our Indian scriptures and holy books. So Ravana is one of the good character who's well known. He is from the Brahman family, and he is all the things. He was one of the powerful kingdom and having the golden Lanka also. But what it happened? Because of his own ego at various level which he acquired, he failed, and with that ego he start to fight with Lord Rama, and at the end his entire family he got dead because of that mistake which he did. So that's very important thing that we should realize, that every level we just have to face some devils. It could be procrastination, it could be self-ego, it could be different things. Like nowadays we are watching at news that Bollywood various actor and actress are indulged in the drug addiction. So that's also one of the devil which they are facing, and this devil is involved them in all this kind of addiction of drugs, and they are consuming various kind of drugs which is even I not heard about it. I just heard one or two things because I am from the science background and I could heard a little bit in pharmacy, so I have little bit awareness to what are kind of narcotic drugs that is banned by the government. So I do, but I don't know all the brands. So I also got surprised that how much they have this devil of life, ego and supremacy and procrastination, and just feeling that you are just a god-like figure and you just indulge in all this activity. So they are indulged in this kind of various activities, and the key thing is that every level of your life you will face these devil, and it's up to you how spiritually grounded you are, how your moral values are, how you think, and how you overcome all these challenges. Because every day these challenges will come, and every day you have to face these challenges. Your own ego, your own self-esteem, your own mind will play with you, but you have to be more stronger with all your values which you have, and with these values you have to stand up that these devils or these negativity will not hamper my uh, good thoughts and my good way which I am thinking, and I will keep on doing the good things. These all ego, these all procrastination and self stream or selfishness will not damage my real spirit, damage my real being which I am. I will keep on thinking in a good way. That's all the thing which can help us in a long run to save ourselves from these all levels which are bound to come in every level of your life whenever you succeed. बस कहते हैं ना वो सक्सेस दिमाग पे बैठ जाती है, तो ये इट विल हैपन, एंड यू हैव टू नो that it should not be run your mind. You should be more powerful. You should have the self control of your life. Then only you could live happily. आप मरने के बाद भी, आप यहाँ धरती से जाने के बाद भी लोग आपको याद रखेंगे, आपको पूजेंगे. Like today, we just praying, we just looking as an ideology to Vivekanand or Abdul Kalam sir, because they have did very good job, and their success never become a devil on their head. They lived their high life very happily, very joyful, very grounded. uh, हिंदी में तो ये भी कहते हैं ना, जो बंदा जितना ही ज़्यादा नीचे और जितना ही नर्म रहेगा, जितना ही सुकुशल रहेगा, जितना ही सब रहेगा, उसे लोग ज़्यादा याद रखेंगे. So that's very key thing, that you should be more humble, more grounded, and these different levels, devils, they should not hamper your growth. They should not hamper your well-being and your self, which you are. So always keep these things in your mind. And with this, we will end this video. And I hope you will resonate with my talk, whatever I have said. If you really resonate, type on the comment box which is the thing which you do to remain self-grounded, and these all devil don't hamper your life. So what you do, and which is the thing which really blocks you, and which you think that this kind of devil, it's need to be corrected in your life, then you will be the more powerful person. Thank you.